Paciente has two different meanings. Do you know both of them? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is paciente. Paciente. This has two different meanings. As an adjective, paciente means patient. You know, when you have patience to do something. As a noun, paciente means patient as well. You know, it is related to health. When you go to see your doctor, you are the doctor's patient. As a noun, paciente can be feminine or masculine. If you use paciente as an adjective, then you don't have to worry about the grammatical gender, because as an adjective, paciente works with feminine and masculine nouns. Now let's see a few examples using this word. Mis hermanos eran pacientes conmigo. Mis hermanos eran pacientes conmigo. Miguel es un hombre muy paciente. Miguel es un hombre muy paciente. Good for you, Miguel. Yo no soy paciente. Yo no soy paciente. Los pacientes están en la sala de espera. Los pacientes están en la sala de espera. Mi prima es paciente de este hospital. Mi prima es paciente de este hospital. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I bring a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel on smlessons.com. You only need to click on donate. Also, I'm leaving the link to that in the video description down below. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!